Hey guys, hey, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video I'll be showing you, or we, because I'm going to be making this butter with my daughter. This is what has been working for us, growing her hair like weed. I also use this for my hair as well. Very moisturizing, filled with lots of goodies that your hair needs. Okay, if you're interested in finding out how to make this at home, then keep on watching.
I'm coming in hot.
So this is the ingredients I'm using. I have this shea butter, it has lasted. So this is flaxseed gel. I just extracted that from flaxseed. I also have some coconut oil. Lastly, I have this extra virgin olive oil.
Butter.
It's butter. I'm trying to make hair butter for your hair. You see your hair? I just washed your hair. It needs a bit of butter. Hair butter. Yeah.
Hair butter.
Yes. That's why I'm making hair butter.
Butter.
Is what? Yeah, but I'm trying to make hair butter for hair.
Hair butter. I see. Mommy.
When you make it into a butter like this, it makes it easier to apply on your hair. Okay. I love how
Nice.
coconut oil looks.
Nice.
It's so white and nice. So adding that into the pot.
Yeah.
So now we add some olive oil. I'm just eyeballing all of this. You can
Wow.
feel free to measure. This
It's
is what I do.
amazing.
It's amazing, I know. I'm going to add a bit more of the shea butter.
Goodness.
So we
put
add
in
a
the
bit
pot.
more. Just because I added
Put
a
in
lot
the
of
pot.
other. Just because I added a lot of other oils. So we're going to leave this to mix. There's barely any heat. You don't want to use a lot of heat and fry it. We are not trying to fry the oil. See, there's no heat at all.
Butter.
As you can see, the small heat from the pot can actually dissolve this. You don't need much heat.
Mama, what's the butter?
The butter has dissolved, you see? Everything is dissolved and well mixed. So after we are done with
But
this,
what's the butter?
yeah, I'm just going to add a little bit of the flaxseed gel.
Classic glue.
Yeah.
Amazing. Wow.
So mix. This is not easy to mix, as you can tell. This is like water and oil, which is almost impossible to mix.
Mama, what is it?
Because that flaxseed gel is very good for hair. Apart from the nutrients that it has, all the health benefits, it can actually make your hair very soft and manageable. Anyway, so that is as much as I can mix. This is what we have now. I'm going to pop it into a bowl.
A bowl.
Yeah, we transfer this into a bowl and pop it into the freezer. We allow it to sit there for like maybe 2 to 3 minutes. And then we are going to whoop it. We're going to mix everything up.
Try it.
So we have our bowl here. This is a plastic bowl.
Plastic bowl.
And then we add that. The color looks amazing actually. I love how it looks. It's almost like olive color. I think it's from the olive oil. This is what helps our hair grow. This is what Yeah, so this is what everyone uses in this family. I have other hair butters, but this one is very good for our hair. You love your hair?
Yeah.
Your hair is so full and nice. I just washed it, by the way.
But
So it has a
don't
bit
wash
of
it.
shrinkage.
The wash it.
Alright, so we are going to pop this in the fridge now. Can you open the fridge for me, please?
Yes.
Alright, come on.
Here you go.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, open. I ended up putting it in the freezer so that it will be quicker. Alright, so we are going to whisk it. I have my mixer here. Alright, are you seeing? You watching? You gonna help mommy?
Yeah.
So I tend to use something big, something as big as this so that it doesn't go everywhere. I hope it doesn't. It's currently on 1.
Go, mommy.
Okay, so this is what we have. I don't want it to go everywhere. I'm scared. Yeah, it looks like it looks more like a hair mayonnaise at the moment, which I don't mind. Like, I don't mind it because this is going to be very moisturizing. Anyways, guys, I'm going to put this back in the fridge for extra 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll finalize. Okay, we are going to whisk again. You want to help? It's a bit technical, Aura, but you can try. To scrape all the corners, make sure that everything is in there. This is what we have. It looks so good. It looks so beautiful. A container. This is an old container. This is the one that we just finished, hence why I am making another butter. So I have this extra one here. It's fine here. Alright, so let's transfer into the container.
Mama,
Yeah.
why you want to use the container?
We are transferring it into a
Why
container.
you make it big?
So
Big container.
you made a little mess, but that's fine. So that's that one. So we transfer the rest into this tiny one. And if it's not enough, I love this consistency because I don't want it to be too thick. Let's clean the mess. But this is what we have, guys. It's creamy. It's very moisturizing. All the ingredients that we have there are amazing. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Say thanks for watching.
See you later. Bye. Bye, everyone.
I hear the beat. It's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way.
So that's all the butter that we made today.
Yeah.
No rest.
Wow. That's broken.
I could actually sell this. This looks so good.